Chief Minister Conrad Sangma launched the City Beautification Drive and Mawlai Mawroh in the presence of Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil Ahammad and Director Urban Affairs and CEO of the Shillong Municipal Board Boro. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister said the initiative was a continuation of the government's efforts through the Urban Affairs Department and municipalities to make urban areas clean, green, safe and attractive, adding that community participation had played a key role in its progress. Referring to earlier consultations with Rangbashnongs and stakeholders, he informed that CCTV installations were being inaugurated as a follow-up, with about 25 of the 45 shortlisted localities completed in the first phase, while the remaining would be covered soon. He said CCTV and streetlight installations were an ongoing process and would be expanded in a second phase. Conrad Sangma emphasized the need for close cooperation between communities and the government, noting that even small development works could have a significant impact. He also highlighted the importance of grassroots level interaction, during which headmen raised issues related to streetlights, CCTVs, parking, footpaths, water supply and drainage. The Chief Minister also distributed beautification grants to localities, inaugurated the CCTV installation for Mawlai Mawroh and later visited Mawlai Mawroh.
Imagine every single, So here we are in Mawlai area, and this is part of Paint My City campaign, where we are encouraging localities to come together and ensure that boundary walls, homes, sidewalks in different areas are painted so that all our cities and towns look beautiful and clean. And this can only happen with the participation of the communities and the people. So I'm here along with our headman, our Rangbashnong, Secretary Shillong of Mawroh, to start this process here. And I encourage all the localities to do the same in different parts of the state. Thank you so much. Okay.
As you remember, the last meeting we had discussed about the CCTVs. So I just want to update, apart from today's inauguration of the CCTV here in Mawroh, there are another 25 locations roughly which are complete, and another 20 locations which will be completed very soon. So we are a bit late. We had promised November, but I hope by January we should be able to complete and then take up the second phase for the CCTVs, because it's a continuing process. And of course the painting, the My City, Paint My City campaign, we have transferred the funds, and of course we'll be handing over the kind of a ceremonial check to all of you. And of course, as you know, it's only one part of the entire process of beautification. There is much more to it. And the idea, as I said, is really in two very simple things. First thing, of course, is that until and unless the society and the government and the people work together, so the community is working together with us, we will not be able to achieve the kind of reformation and the change that we would like to see. So we are very, very clear on that. Number two is that there is nothing called, small or big development work. We've always believed that even the smallest change that we make can have a very big difference in the overall process and the development that we are targeting. And so even painting a wall, even painting the sidewalks, painting the electricity poles, removing the wires of, and maybe creating underground wiring systems and ducts. Small things like these can make a huge difference in how our city looks.